And welcome to the ETF Edge portion of Halftime Report. I'm Bob Pisani. Huge Bitcoin conference in Miami this weekend. Let's get some thoughts from Greg King, CEO of Osprey Funds, which runs the Osprey Bitcoin Trust, and Michael Sonnenschein. He's the CEO of Grayscale Investments, which runs Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. Greg, you're still in Miami. I saw a lot of attacks on the Federal Reserve. I saw people attacking Elon Musk, strange bedfellows. I saw people saying crypto is going to take over the monetary system. And I saw the president of El Salvador saying he wants Bitcoin to be legal tender. What's your takeaway on the conference? What's the key meme here?
All kinds of things happening here in Miami. I would characterize it as a sense of excitement. Feels a lot like 2017 felt, but with a broader base. You do have an international hub here of investors. And so the announcement from El Salvador was very interesting. I think was enthusiastic and well received by the crowd. So in general, things seem to be still feeling very bullish here in Miami for Bitcoin going forward and the broader crypto world.
Yeah. You know, Michael, Bitcoin seems range bound. I know it's still in a bull market, still in an up market overall here. It seems like alternative investments are what everybody's talking about right now, from NFTs to decentralized finance. Is Bitcoin waning as the dominant story in crypto, do you think?
I wouldn't say it's waning. I think that investors appreciate Bitcoin has to be part of their allocation. So there's now a trend towards not only diversification to have crypto exposure, but also diversification within your crypto exposure itself. And so investors have been looking at other cryptocurrencies which serve other use cases and are adding them to their portfolios.
When you get the president of El Salvador saying, I'm going to make Bitcoin legal tender, the dollar's already legal tender over there. I mean, that's at least a moment here. Something here is happening.
It is certainly a moment, but I think that if you zoom out and you look at the bigger picture, it's important to remember that, from our view of the world, as institutional adoption continues to take place, we would not be surprised to see states and, central banks beginning to think about adding Bitcoin and other crypto to their balance sheet.
Okay, thank you, Michael. Much more on Bitcoin and the future of a Bitcoin ETF with Michael and Greg on ETF Edge, 1 p.m. Eastern Time, etfedge.cnbc.com. Halftime, back in 2 minutes.